You guys didn't even do it.
Tell me.
Okay. Go on.
You gotta show who she's pregnant.
No, let us do your test. I can't speak for her.
Okay, hold on, wait.
It's gonna be on film. Go. Sorry, I had to tell you.
Tell us when to go.
Okay. What are you walking backwards?
No, I guess Floyd's stocked off. She's not holding the gun right.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. Check that eel. Hey! What? Don't film, boy. I know. This is the best. Hello, it's Nora. How are you today? That's Aunty Nora. She's so cool. She's the best. I don't know about Lofa. She's something else. Say that again, Aunty. You Lofa. She's, huh?
She's one of the witches.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you are Lofa. Okay. Songy, ready?
You want to see how much of a witch she is?
Yeah.
Her magical powers are in her feet. Watch till you live.
In her feet or face?
April, doesn't go.
Okay, I gotta film it. Okay, ready? I got it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Your big head's in the way.
Okay, you went that way.
Look here. Hey, watch the camera. Twiggy bird, she's all soaking wet.
Ready again?
Hey.
Right now?
You.
2
Sorry.
to 1. And 1 to 1. Stop taking 2 to 1. Come on, ready?
It's what?
2 to 1. Ready?
Make us.
Ready? This right.